The concept of decentralization in cryptocurrencies means that no single entity or organization controls the entire network, as transactions and operations are managed by a distributed network of nodes, enhancing security and reducing the risk of centralized points of failure. The development of second-layer solutions like the Lightning Network aims to address the scalability issues faced by major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin by enabling faster and cheaper transactions through off-chain processing while still leveraging the security of the main blockchain. Cryptographic algorithms, such as SHA-256 used in Bitcoin, play a vital role in securing transactions and data on the blockchain, ensuring that information is tamper-proof and can be verified without exposing sensitive details. Decentralized oracles are essential components in blockchain ecosystems, as they provide external data to smart contracts, enabling them to interact with real-world information and execute actions based on events occurring outside the blockchain. Cryptocurrency exchanges, both centralized and decentralized, are platforms where users can buy, sell, and trade digital assets, with centralized exchanges offering more liquidity and user-friendly interfaces, while decentralized exchanges provide greater privacy and control over funds. Blockchain technology underpins cryptocurrencies and consists of a series of linked blocks, each containing a list of transactions, and is maintained by a network of nodes that validate and record new transactions, ensuring the integrity and transparency of the entire system. The proof-of-stake (POS) consensus mechanism, used by cryptocurrencies like Ethereum 2.0 and Cardano, involves validators being selected to create new blocks and validate transactions based on the number of coins they hold and are willing to stake as collateral, offering an energy-efficient alternative to proof of work. Forking in blockchain technology can be categorized into hard forks and soft forks. A hard fork results in a permanent split and the creation of a new blockchain, while a soft fork is a backward-compatible upgrade that allows the network to continue operating on a single chain. The process of halving, seen in Bitcoin and some other cryptocurrencies, reduces the reward for mining new blocks by half at regular intervals, typically every 4 years, to control the supply of new coins and create a deflationary effect over time. The decentralized finance (DeFi) ecosystem encompasses a range of financial services, including lending, borrowing, trading, and insurance, all built on blockchain platforms that operate without traditional intermediaries, offering greater accessibility and transparency. The rise of privacy-focused cryptocurrencies, such as Monero and Zcash, highlights the demand for enhanced confidentiality in transactions, as these digital currencies use advanced cryptographic techniques to obscure transaction details and protect user identities.